Welcome back. Math D, lesson 26. We're starting in our workbook, finding part 1. You're going to write fractions for each whole number on the number line. First, figure out the bottom number for the fractions on the number line. Then look at each whole number that tells how many times greater the top number is. Problem A. The whole numbers are on the left side. The fractions go on the right side. Remember, the fraction at 0 has the same bottom number as the other fractions. What is the top number of the fraction at 0? 0. Go ahead and complete number line A and B. When you are finished, we will move on to part 2. Part 2. These are multiplication problems that have 9. The other number you multiply by is missing. To figure out the missing number, you're going to look at the answer, okay? So 27. So you're going to work backwards. 27 divided by 9 equals blank. 63 divided by 9 equals blank. 81 divided by 9 equals blank. 45 divided by 9 equals blank. They're all problems with 9. Part 3, don't even worry about this independent work. Don't worry about doing part 3 in your workbook. Okay? Next, we're going to jump over to our textbook.
Mom.
Busy right now. Next door. All right, we're going to go ahead and find column 1. Or part 1. All right. The dollar amount problems are written in rows. You'll write them in columns. Remember, you must keep the decimal points lined up in the column. First, you write your dollar sign in the front of the first value and in the front of the answer. Use lines paper. Write the problems and figure out the answers. I'm going to help you write the problems. Go ahead and get some of this out of the way. All right, problem A. Remember, we have to line it up so that the decimals are on top of one on top of the other. All right, so it's a subtraction problem. Money sign, $17.14 minus $9.06. Make sure you have that decimal. You should be able to go ahead and just plug your decimal point in and add your money sign. Problem B. $34. Oops, forgot my money sign. $34. And this is an addition problem. Plus $2.07. Plus 92 cents. Okay, don't forget to bring your money sign down and your decimal. Problem C. $25.08 and plus $22.31. $22.31. Don't forget to bring down your money sign and your decimal. Go ahead and solve those problems. When you are finished, we're moving on to part 2 in our textbook. Go ahead. Some of these questions ask you to compare animals or lakes. Remember, find the name in the question. Go to the right row or column, find the number, and then answer the question. Write A through E on your paper. Go ahead and answer the items in part 2 on your own. When you are finished, we are moving on to part 3. Okay, part 3. You'll make a number family for each sentence. Remember, part of the sentence that tells how much more or less is the difference number. It's the first small number. When you read the rest of the sentence without the difference number, it tells which is big number and which is the small number. The big number is always more or farther or greater or longer. Sentence A. All right, sentence A says, the pole was 8 feet shorter than the tree. We're going to read it again without the difference number. Ready? The pole was shorter than the tree. So which one was bigger? The tree. So my pole goes here as my second small number, and my difference number goes here. Our difference number is the number that is circled for number 1, or for letter A. So my difference number is 8. All right, B. The bull is 307 pounds heavier than the cow. We're going to try and read it again without the circled number. The bull is heavier than the cow. So B goes here for bull, and a cow goes here. And this is my difference number. Go ahead and write in your difference number. 307. I want you guys to try C, D, and E on your own, okay? Don't forget, the number that goes at the end is bigger, longer, faster, stronger than the other person or the other thing. And then our difference number always goes there. That's the circled number. When you are finished, we're moving on to part 4. Some of these fractions in part 4 equal a whole number. Other fractions don't. They're between whole numbers. Copy each fraction that does equal a whole number and complete the equation to show the number it equals. You are only writing the problem down that will equal a whole number. The rest of your lesson in your textbook is independent work. You can go ahead and complete your independent work. When you are done, go ahead and submit to your teacher.